Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Muhammad Aziz Iksan Sanantias and my friend Miftahul Jannah would like to present the result of our paper entitled Anecdote Text. E. Meaning of anecdote text. Anecdote texts are funny, upsetting, or ridiculous stories based on actual events. Anecdote texts are short stories that are interesting because they are funny and impressive, usually about important or famous people and based on actual event or big Indonesian dictionary. However, anecdotal texts can be fictitious stories that do not have to be based on facts that occur in the community, or can also be inspired by real events which are then used as the basis for funny stories by adding fictional elements. Anecdote texts are meant as a form of social awareness, which convey social reality in a unique way, such as humor. Anecdote texts are a way to show concern for the problem around them and remind others of the truth that must be done. Anecdote texts can bring to light the mistake of others without feeling offended. Usually, anecdote texts do not profit the text of the story, so the impact of the story is short-lived. Anecdote texts are funny, entertaining, and usually occur in everyday life. In addition, anecdote texts also discuss specific topics and are sometimes based on personal experience. According to Carafe, an anecdote text is a kind of short story that aims to convey interesting or strange characteristic about someone or something else. Therefore, it can be concluded that an anecdote is a text that is funny, has character, and contain constructive criticism. Anecdote texts are used as criticism, but not directly or harshly. When people only use print mass media, anecdotal texts become one part of the reader entertainment rubric. This anecdote text contains social criticism about everyday life. No, anecdotal texts are not only in print but also social media. Generally, these anecdotal texts are in the form of memes or funny dialogue snippets is a post in a post. B. Generic structure of anecdote text. According to Garrett and Wignall, the structure of the anecdote is as follows. 1. Abstraction. The initial part of paragraph serves to provide an overview of the content of the text. Generally, will indicate unique things that will happen in the text. Abstract is also known as the opening stage. 2. Orientation. The part that shows the beginning of the story or the background of the event. Generally, the author tells the story in detail in this section. Orientation also serves to contrast the text. 3. Crisis. The occurrence of unique or unusual things or problem. Crisis is defined as a time of dissatisfaction or discrepancy. 4. Reaction of incident. The way the author or the person thought in solving problems that arise in the crisis section. Reaction relates to response to previous event. 5. Quote. The last part of the story, there is conclusion about the event narrated by the author. The quote is also a cover. That's all. The presentation will be continued with Miftahul Jannah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miftahul Janah. I will continue the presentation for Muhammad Aziz Ihsan. C. Language feature of anecdotes. Anecdotal texts have language feature of characteristics that distinguish them from other literary works. The following are the language features of characteristics of anecdotal text. 1. Using past tense, past tense, such as I saw her last night. Read the past tense explanation. 2. Using rhetoric quotes, such as did you know what? 3. Using conjunction of time, such as and then, after that. 4. Using action verb, such as when, run. 5. Using imperative sentence, command sentence, such as follow me. 6. Use exclamation sentence, such as it's amazing, it's awesome. According to Luxembourg, anecdote text consists of 3 types, namely in the form of articles, short stories, and dialogues. 1. Article. Anecdote text in the form of article can take the form of a narrative format. Anecdotal text tell a factual or famous character or thing so that the story has clarity of character, plot, event, and setting. 2. Short story. Anecdotes is the form of short stories tell something that is straightforward or not convoluted, so that listeners of readers understand the contents of the jokes more quickly. Therefore, anecdotal short stories are shorter than the short stories in general. 3. Dialogue text. Anecdotal text in the form of dialogue use a dream format that has play, introduction. Anecdotes are presented in the form of dominant dialogue using direct sentence. D. Language rules of anecdote text. According to Freudian, anecdotal text generally use the declarative sentence and causal sentence in the abstract. Writing anecdotes must pay attention to the rules of writing. Here are the rules for writing anecdotes. Using rhetorical quotes or quotes sentences that do not require an answer, such as do you know? Use action verb such as read, work. Presented in funny language contain the effects that make irritate. There are satires. Use conjunction of time, such as then, after, and then. Use sentence that state past events, contain certain truths. Use imperative sentence and use exemplification points. The rules for writing anecdote text according to the Ministry of Education and Culture theme are presentation in funny language and contain events that are ridiculous for participants who experience them. The feeling of annoyance is a crise that is responded to by reaction of conflict between comfort and discomfort, achievement and failure, and satisfaction and frustration. Example from text anecdote text. Big lizard in the bed. Abstract. How make you want to locate a big lizard in your shower and powerful one as well orientation. We had who it recently moved it into another house, which had been unfilled for so long that everything was in a loathsome wreckage. Anna and I, cause we would clean the shower to begin with, so we set to and turn it on the tap. Crisis. And all of us students sadly a big lizard and showed up in the fitting gap. At that point, out crawled whatever remains of his long this body. He wandered aimlessly on the tricky base of the show, spitting and murmuring at us. Reaction on incident. For a moment, I remained truly dead. At the point, I shouted for my spouse, who fortunately came running and shot her the big lizard with the handle of a floor brush. Anna, who was just 3 at the time, was very inspired by the entry business. To be sure, I need to hold of the pattern path, or she presumably have leaned over the shower to improve look. Coda. After that, I've generally put the module solidly before running the shower water. That is all from use. If there is more or less, sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.